Hello my lovely crafters! I want to show you how to make the boutique for dolls so they can buy clothes for their paper life. In this template we have 2 double-sided paper dolls with clothes. Also we have shoes, purses, sunglasses and evening dress for special occasions. The link you will find in the description of this video. To make cover, glue walls on the stripes. Then turn it over and glue 3 more stripes. Then glue walls details one by one. Now we need to glue the cash register. To do this, apply glue to the edge and glue it in place. In the same way, I glue the curtain in the fitting room on the other side. Now I will attach the purses in place. So I take double-sided tape and attach small piece to the purses and sunglasses and put it in place. We also need to place the mannequin. For this, we will glue 2 parts together and glue them only at the bottom. Time to make dolls. Take 2 parts of the dolls and glue them together. For the clothes, we will use small stripes. Put it on a doll and fold it, and then glue on one side. Then glue on a stripe front part of the clothes and back part. So we have a double-sided clothes which we can easily put on the doll. For the back side we also have hairs. I use double-sided tape to attach it. So from the back we can also have a nice view. And shoes I laminated with clear tape and glue tabs with double-sided tape. And we have a pair of double-sided shoes. Now I will attach clothes with double-sided tape in place. And put evening dress on a mannequin. And we can play. In the template there are 2 dolls, one as a seller and other one can be a customer. And I forgot a credit card which dolls can use to buy clothes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!